In order to get this ANOVA table and also some other data analysis features in Excel, we do need this data analysis button. If you don't have this button, then I'll show you how to get it. So right now you can see I have it, so I was able to use it to make my ANOVA table. The way I get it is I go over to File, and then I go down to Options, and I select Add-ins, and then Manage on the bottom, Excel Add-ins, click Go. And I toggle on this Analysis Tool Pack. That gives me this button. You can see if I take it off, I lose that button. So under Data, my button is now gone. So if I want it, I go to, and this is the same thing I just did, I'm just going to do it a second time. I go to File, Options, Add-ins, Manage Excel Add-ins, and click Go. And I want to toggle on the Analysis Tool Pack and select OK. And now you can see that button is back. So now I can go to Data, Data Analysis, and you can see lots and lots of data analysis tools at our fingertips now. So that's how we get that tool, and then we can do our ANOVA tables.